Let's go to guided practice 1. A speed camera on Peterson Road records the speed of each passing vehicle. The speeds are found to be normally distributed with a mean of 67 km per hour and a standard deviation of 3.4 km per hour. For A, sketch a diagram of this normal distribution and shade the region representing the possibility that the speed of a vehicle is between 60 km per hour and 70 km per hour. When you do the question about normal distribution, focus on those numbers. Which one is mean? Which one is a standard deviation? We already know that normal distribution graph is like a bell-shaped, like this. Therefore, we know the mean is 67. For the standard deviation 3.4, I keep adding 3.4 or subtract 3.4 from 67 so that we can draw this bell-shaped graph. This one here. I keep adding 3.4. I will get the 70.4, 73.8, 77.2. The pattern for normal distribution curve will be like this. That's the reason I keep adding this standard deviation so that we can get mean plus 3 sigma and a mu minus 3 sigma. That's mean very close to the bottom already. Then I just draw the curve now. Yeah, this is the bell-shaped graph. It will be symmetric across this mean. I'm looking for the probability from 60 to 70. I will check where's the 60. 60, it's here. Very close here. And 70, it's here. The probability will be the area, this area, covered by this curve. Therefore, remember that the region shaded, that area represents the possibility. Now let's go to B. We need to figure out the possibility. The speed of this vehicle is more than 60 km per hour. Since I'm looking for the probability, that will be type 1. We got to use that normal CDF. Then put the information in to figure out this probability. So we go to distribution, then go to normal CDF, and put the lower one is 60. Upper one, you can put a huge number. Normally I put the 1 E99. Then the mean is 67, standard deviation is 3.4. Then put the enter, you will get this. that's a 0.98 will be the possibility for number 1. For second question, less than 70 km per hour. We still go to distribution normal CDF. This time we put the lower one is a negative 1e99 and the upper one that's 70. The mean and the standard deviation won't change. Then the answer will be 0.81. For third question, between 60 and 70, you will put the lower 60, upper 70. Then these two won't change. Your answer will be 0.79. Let's go to guided practice 2. Suppose X is normally distributed with a mean of 37 and a standard deviation is 7. Use technology to find the probability of X greater than 40. Since this is a probability problem, you got to use normal CDF. And we will put the lower one is 40. Upper one is 1 times 10 to the 99th power. We will put mean 37, standard deviation is 7. Then put enter, and you will get 0.33. For B, hence find the probability this X greater than or equal to 37, less than or equal to 40 without technology. Without technology, you have to sketch that graph first. So I sketched this graph already. I label, this is your mean plus 3 sigma. Here's mu minus 3 sigma. We already know this area is 0.33. But I'm looking for this area. As we know, this is a symmetric curve, which means when probability this X greater than 37, that equals 0.5. Half, that is 0.5. Therefore, for this probability X between 37 and 40, it's equals 0.5 minus probability X greater than 40. So 0.5 minus 0.33. You will get, the answer will be 0.17. So it's critical you know how to draw this normal distribution curve. And you know the meaning of probability. How to express the probability? You have to shade the proper region